I got this battery insulation kit sent to me to make a video about. You just wrap it around your battery here like this, and then that'll protect your battery from extreme temperatures, from extreme heat and extreme cold. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I got this on here. Here's what the insulation kit looks like. You get all the insulation right here to wrap around the battery. You get some tape here, so you can cut off the excess and then you can tape it together there. And then it looks like you get another piece. You could put this on the bottom of the battery there, so you could also insulate it from the bottom as well. All right, let's go ahead and put it on the battery and see how it looks. All right, I'm just gonna wrap this around here. So it looks like it can be cut right about here. So I'll go ahead and cut it there. And then I'll need to cut it again here so that I can put the battery cables on. But we'll do this first cut here. It cuts really easy. It was really easy to cut there. And then I need to cut it again right here. Now I got the tape right here. I can cut that tape as well. And I think this just peels right here, just the sticky part peels off. You see this is a nice, like a nice foil heat tape. All right, we got that on there. And then I'll just cut out a little opening over there for the other battery, so we can connect the other battery cable here. There we go. And then I'll take this piece and I'll put it in the truck there underneath the battery. I'll just lay it down in here like this. Get that position, then I can just set the battery on top of here. Okay, I got it back in there. Now I can just reattach the battery cables. All right, there it is, all wrapped around my battery here. You can see it's got an outer layer here. This is a high heat resistant aluminum foil. And then on the inside, it's got a pre-oxygenated yarn, and it's a non-woven fabric. It's also acid resistant and abrasion resistant, so it's a nice durable material here to protect it. You can see what it looks like here. I got a scrap piece that I'm pulling apart. You can see what it looks like inside. This is the aluminum foil part right here. And then this is the insulation right here. All right, there you go. There's the battery insulation kit. Yeah, this thing looks pretty nice. I think this is a great way to protect your battery from extreme temperatures.